Welcome back to another episode of Quarantine Kitchen. I'm Dylan Fole. Today we're making a sandwich so good it'll restore your faith in humanity. These days it's easy to get super bummed out on all the news in the world, being home alone, being bored. So why not distract yourself by making a sandwich piled high with every meat in your fridge? That's what I'm gonna do. Follow along. So the cornerstone of any great sandwich, of course, is the bacon. We're gonna do 3 slices here. We'll make sure our burner's on medium. I'm gonna throw a little pepper in with the bacon just to give it a little kick. So if you watched my bacon cheeseburger video, you know that the best way to grill onions is in the bacon grease. So let's chop them up. Make sure and keep checking your bacon so you don't burn it. So we peel off the outside of the onion, pop out the middle, throw away the flaky bits, those aren't any good. Our bacon's done, we'll take that off. Remember, try and keep that grease in there. Chop our onions into quarters. Bam, bam. Then we throw our onions right back into the grease. So remember to keep stirring your onions occasionally, but they're gonna take a little while to cook, and it's all about being efficient, using our time wisely. So let's prep our bread. So I've got this oat nut kind of whole wheat bread. It's really good, but go with whatever kind of bread you like. Sourdough would be another good choice. Probably don't put it on your face. Condiments are also going to be your choice, whatever you like. I'm going to do some mayonnaise and mustard. I'm not going to go overly crazy. Just enough to keep it moist. I don't like going overly crazy with the mayonnaise. I've only recently started liking mustard, so I don't use a ton of it, but it's pretty good. It gives it a nice little kick. Then we'll go with some cheddar cheese. Cheddar's my favorite. Do 4 nice sized slices. When we do our final step, this will get all melty and be delicious. All right, so this side's done. Check our onions. Our onions are almost ready. It's going to be perfect timing. Let's throw down the avocado. You don't have to put avocado on it, but if you don't like avocado, you're just wrong. It's so mushy and delicious. All right, our onions are ready. Let's drop these on. This is looking so good. Now we're going for our secret trick. So the second key ingredient to our sandwich is going to be this pulled pork. My dad gave me this pulled pork, so I didn't have to make it, but if you guys are interested, I can make a video. Just let me know down in the comments. But the key to making amazing pulled pork for sandwiches is frying it. So we're going to use the same pan we've been using and throw our pork right in there. So we fry the pork to get it a nice crispy texture on the outside, but still juicy and delicious on the inside. It's such an amazing addition to a sandwich. Now I'm going to add some tomato and spinach to it. You don't have to, but I think adding some veggies gives it a little like fresh flavor. It's pretty good. I like my tomatoes fairly thin, like not a big hunkin' chunk. Let's finish this puppy up. Let's add some turkey. First layer. Pulled pork is always better with barbecue sauce. Don't forget that. So our pulled pork is nice and crispy and barbecue sauced up. Let's throw that on here right over the turkey. Look at how crispy and delicious that's gonna be. Oh, it's epic. All right, now we gotta throw on our bacon. And some might say bacon and pulled pork is overkill. And I'd say you're wrong. All right, we're close, but we're not done yet. Okay, so to elevate our sandwich from just a standard, really good sandwich to a God-level sandwich, we're gonna fry it like a grilled cheese. So we throw a bunch of butter in our pan and drop the sandwich in. This is gonna make it unbelievable, trust me. All right, get your butter nice and mixed around, and then we add the sandwich. Be careful not to explode it. Ooh, it's hot, don't touch the pan. Dang it. So you wanna watch this really carefully. It can burn really easy, so keep checking it, don't let it burn. Son of a bitch. Like everything fell out. When you're ready to flip it, use the biggest spatula you have so it doesn't explode all over like it did to me. Don't make my mistakes, learn from me. But the sandwich is off, it's done, it looks amazing. This thing is ultimate. We got the grilled bread, the melty cheese, the bacon, pulled pork, turkey, veggies, avo. This is gonna be insane. Best sandwich ever. If this doesn't restore your faith in humanity, I don't know what will. This thing looks insane. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, let's dive in. That is a proper sandwich. You get the crispy bacon, the barbecue flavor of the pork. Turkey is always perfect on a sandwich. Dude, this thing is awesome. You guys gotta make this. Oh man, I love it. We're falling apart a little bit, but this thing is amazing. Every flavor is unique and delicious. The grilled onions add a lot, the avocado, even the veggies, the tomato and spinach add so much. This thing is freaking amazing. My faith in humanity is restored. You guys got to make this. This is one of the best sandwiches I've ever had. I hope you guys make it. If you do, let me know down in the comments. Hey, thanks for watching. If you liked that video, you're gonna love this next one. Click right here.